Hey there friends, it's Vicky. Let's see if we can see any pollinators. Oh, there is something on this one. See if I can, oh, he flew away. That is a orange butterfly weed. Here we have some coneflowers. I think it's called Cheyenne Sky or Cheyenne Spirit, something like that. Not sure what those little yellow flowers are called, but those are cute. Also some pollinators. More orange butterfly weed. The beautiful peach sky yarrow. There are little flies and ants and stuff flying around here. Little teeny tiny bees. Do you see them? And I believe this is a coreopsis and a false sunflower. Hope you liked it.